Okay, this is my 2012 United Supreme su3 complete bike. Start at the front here. Grips. I got Shadow Conspiracy 13 grips, flangeless, really nice. United bars, 8.5-inch rise, 20 inches wide. The hub and the rim and spokes here are all Cinema 777. Spins real nice. It's got a female front hub. The United tapered forks, duo stunner, 2.2 tires. The stem is a United stem, CNC machine, so it's real light and saves weight. Integrated sealed headset, 21-inch top tube, the frame. Fly Rubin pedals, PC. The United crank arms, 48 spline spindle, 19mm, with a tree chromoly spline drive, 28-tooth sprocket, with a Shadow Conspiracy Interlock V2 half-link chain. It's all brand new. It's really nice. United seat, pivotal, padded, integrated seat post. Sealed mid ball bearings. Another Cinema 777 rear wheel and hub. All sealed bearings, front and back. Sealed driver. Everything's sealed except for the pedals. So yeah, my bike weighs about 23.5 pounds. It's real light. I love it.